Writing a blog post by yourself can be little bit time-taking process and can be hard. But sometimes it's not easy to know what to write and how to rank in Google. That's why I'm going to introduce you Rank Math Content AI Command Center. Command Center tool will help you write better content faster and easier. So in this video, we will go through step by step how to use Content AI Command Center. So don't skip any part of this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started this video. So this is our WordPress dashboard here. And the first step, we have to install Rank Math SEO plugin. To install Rank Math SEO plugin, we have to visit plugins and click on add plugin. You have to search here Rank Math SEO, and this is the plugin you have to install and activate. After you activate your Rank Math SEO plugin, it will bring you to set a visit. If not, you have to visit here Rank Math SEO, click on dashboard. So the first step, we have to connect our Rank Math SEO plugin with Rank Math account. To connect Rank Math account, you can visit to set a visit and follow the steps. In the steps, you have to connect your Rank Math account. Or you can visit here, click help. Here you have to connect your Rank Math SEO account. Make sure you already have an account with Rank Math. So this is our Rank Math SEO account dashboard on the website. So here when you click on website, so under the connected website, you will see all your website connected with Rank Math SEO plugin. And you will also see if you have already AI credit, you will also see your credit. To use Rank Math Content AI Command Center, make sure you already have AI credits. To get AI credits, you have to click here Content AI. So here, let's click on Buy Now. And it will bring you to different plans of Content AI. Rank Math SEO is now offering more monthly credits for your websites. And also you will able to use on unlimited websites and user rates. So before we use Rank Math Content AI Command Center in our WordPress website, make sure you already pick any of these plans with monthly credits. Now it's time to connect our account with Rank Math. So once you get any of these plans, let's go to our website back here. Click on dashboard and click on help. So you have to connect your website here. Let me disconnect so I will able to show you how to connect it. Let's click on connect now, and you have to provide your Rank Math username and password. When you pick any plan or when you create your account with Rank Math, you have to provide the account information in order to activate your plugin. Let's click on OK, activate now. Now our account is connected with the plugin. Let's click on dashboard and modules. In the modules, we have to enable Content AI because Command Center feature is available in Content AI feature or module. So we have to activate Content AI before we use Command Center. Now it's time to try out Command Center, how you can use it. Let's go to post, click on all post. To use Command Center in WordPress blog editor, make sure you already have blog post or you are going to create a new blog post using blog editor. Because right now, Command Center only available with the blog editor. To ensure if you already select a blog editor or classic editor, we have to go to setting and click on writing. In the writing, make sure you have select here blog editor. So every time we create a new blog post or we edit blog post, we will add it with blog editor. Let's save changes and go to our blog post. Let me click on all post. So here I already have different types of post. Let me edit any post so I will able to show you how you can use Command Center. Let me edit my this particular post must have plugin for Woodmart WordPress theme. Let me click on edit. Okay, so this is our blog post we just added. So how you can use Command Center in WordPress. If you're editing any blog post or you need any clarity in particular paragraph or title, or you want to summarize complex section for easier understanding, it's just simple to select the particular paragraph and let run as command. It will also help you in proofreading and correcting the grammar errors on your articles. Example, if I have any article, blog post has any grammar issues or grammar errors, let's select our paragraph and click here and we will click fix grammar. Let's click on fix grammar. Now the command center will rewrite your paragraph with correct grammar here. You can click here write more. If everything looks good, you can click here use. If you want to regenerate this particular paragraph, you can click regenerate. Let's click on use. So now we have a new paragraph with correct grammar. So let's try out something else. So let me select this particular title here and click on little icon, run as command. And you can see it will give you the information related to this particular title. A plugin strategy with Woodmart, enhance functionality, optimize performance, improve user experience. If you want to create in more detail, if you want to write more, just go ahead, click on write more. So now the command center will complete your sentence and write more sentences in your particular paragraph. Let's click on use. So now I have information and the overview of this title. Because sometimes you're writing your blog post and you don't have any particular words for this title, you can get help of command center to write your paragraph based on this particular title. Okay, so after you write your blog post and you are feeling you need to improve something inside your blog post, let's click on this little paragraph here and click on command center. Let's click on improve. Now the system will improve your particular paragraph. You can write more or you can use this particular paragraph. Let's click on use. Now let's talk about if you want to summarize your paragraph. You have to select all your paragraph and head over to icon and click on summarize. Now this will summarize with your select paragraph and provide you information which you can use for your blog post. But if you want to create more content for your blog post, you have to head over to little icon of Rank Math Content AI here, where you will see option Content AI. It will show you your available credit and you have option to write more content about your blog post. You have to instruction here about your blog post, example best WordPress theme for your business website, and you have to choose your tone. You can choose formal, informal, friendly, casual, and you have a more options. After that, you have to provide a focus keyword and then you have to choose the length. You want to write short paragraph, medium, or long paragraph and then click generate. So the content AI will generate more content for your blog post. But if you want to use more tools for your blog post, you have to head over to next to right, click here on AI tools, and you have to check out available AI tools from RankMath, which will help you to improve your blog post, not only writing. If you want any idea about your blog post, you want to write post outline or post introduction, conclusion, or post title, topic research, you can do with all of these available tools. But if you want to use other content AI tools directly from your WordPress website, for that you have to go to RankMath SEO and click on Content AI. Let me click on Content AI. Here you will find different types of tools which you can use to write better content for your website. It has different types of tools like a blog post wizard, blog post idea if you want to get idea for your next blog post, outline, introduction, SEO title. paragraph rewriter, paragraph SEO description, which improve SEO for your website, and more tools. If you have any question, just let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.